Kia ora. I'm Janice from Sustainable Accounting Solutions. Today I want to go through something that I recently built. It's called the IRD Compliance Scheduler. So it would create calendar invites with pop-up reminders for New Zealand tax due dates. So I know a number of us, including myself, quite often do forget when some compliance are due. So whether it's GST returns, FBT returns, and when they are due for payment. So I've built something that is standard to New Zealand balance date, which is 31st of March. And it's really easy. What you need to do is go into my website, sustainableaccounting.co.nz, and then go into tax calendar scheduler, scroll down, and you can see that you will need to put in some of your filing obligations. So let's just put in your name first of all. ID number, that is optional. And put in the month that you would like to start to have these pop-up reminders. And you can remind yourself 1 day, 3 days before it's due, and then what filing obligations you have. I do recommend you to check your MyIR if you're not familiar with it, whether you're in the 2 monthly, monthly, 6 monthly filing, PAYE, if you have that, FBT, income tax. Let's just say these are some of the key ones. If you click Generate Schedule, you can see already on the right-hand side here some of the dates that's coming up. So June 2026 payroll is due 20 July. This is already adjusted for statutory holidays or weekends, because IRD do default to the next working day for payment. So for example here, the August payroll supposedly due 20th of the month following, because it was a Sunday, or is a Sunday on the 20th, it will roll to the next working day. So once you are happy with this, there are a couple of things you can do here. You can generate a calendar, which is a .ics. I'll give you a tip on how to import that later. Or you could generate a spreadsheet, which is basically the format of this in a spreadsheet. So let's just say I just want to go straight into generate a calendar. This will pop up in your downloads here, right? And then what you would do is then I would suggest a couple of tips that you can do, which is you would import this in, let's just say you've got a Gmail, which I do, but it works on Outlook and Apple calendars as well. You can create a new tax calendar and import this .ics into that tax calendar, because in case any of your returns here do change, so for example from 2 monthly you change it to monthly, you do want to easily be able to edit without going to each single one of them. So I recommend to import it as a tax calendar, and then if you ever need to re-import it, you just delete the existing one and re-import it again. So yeah, that's something that I've built. Thanks.